Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how many, what Rubik's cubes I have. So this is my messed up cube out of shape. Then I have this whole other box, which is, well, that's empty. That's empty too. Okay, here, this is getting real. This is my 5x5. Let me get it out of this stupid box. This box, let me open it there. This is my 5x5. See, it's a Rubik's Cube. I honestly messed it up once and then I fixed it. It wasn't easy. Bro, I almost just messed it up again. Put that back in the box. And I have this one. Which is my in-cave cube. Twists like that. Yeah, it's hard. I messed it up. Now I can't solve it. I solved about 2 sides, I think. And this is my octagon cube. Oh boy. Half of these I'm not even touching because they look hard to solve. Look at that. It's an actual Rubik's Cube. If this gets 1,000 likes, I will mess that octagon cube up and then try to solve it again. Like, we're working on this in videos, right? Okay, this is my pyramid cube. You get it out of the box. This is it. I'm just twisting them so you believe me it's a real cube. See? Wow. And this. Wait, how do I? This thing is hard to get in the box sometimes. So I'll just set that aside and get in later. This is my Phoenix cube. My Phoenix cube, yeah. See? Twist. Oh, wait. I almost just messed that up and then I would be so mad at myself. Get back in the box. Then I have a couple left. Ow. Okay, and then I have my 4x4. Open the box. This is hard to open. 4x4. See? This with the triangle one with it. Okay. And this is my infinity cube. This was my first cube I ever had. This is my 2x2. Let me get it out of this box. I just ripped the bottom. Come on. This one doesn't want to open for me. It must hate me. I mean, I did mess it up and never solve it again. My mom messed it up for me, and she thought it would be easy peasy to solve, but actually it wasn't. So, and then I got 3 more cubes. Oh, this is my Invex cube. I don't like, that's why I'm not messing with it. Put that back in the box. Okay, my other ones are up on my bed. Let me go get them. This is my speed cube. You can corner cut and everything. It's hard to corner cut everyone. This is just my normal Rubik's Cube. So that was the video. Yeah, I had it upside down. If you want to see it real size, it's this. The speed cube and then the normal one. Okay, so if you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. Bye.